Hello everybody, this is Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. And welcome back to another of my video here on the channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at the product item that I just got from last year in my after school activity. And this is what I just got from last year. It is an LED light up ring that I can take a selfie with the lighting, so that I don't have to find any better place where it's a perfect lighting part where I can take selfie. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right now. So this is the LED light up ring selfie ring here, and the company is iCover, and yep, that's the LED light up selfie ring, the picture that is showing right there, and there's the item inside of this box. And let's take a look at the back side of this. And so adjust the brightness, press the on and off button. So here are the 3 brightness level if my camera can focus. Let's see if it can focus right here. I think it's already focused. Let me see. That doesn't seem to be focusing, but I'm just gonna say what it is. So there are 3 brightness level for this LED light up ring. There's the low, medium, and high level. If I can get my camera to focus again. Easy to use. This one requires double AAA batteries, and this one included inside of the box. And it's not, my camera's not focusing again. But I'm just gonna read it. I'm just gonna read it by myself. Enjoy your enhanced selfies. No more having to be looking for the perfect spot to take a photo. High compatibility. The clipping head can be widely open, so it can be applied to almost all smartphones. I bet this will work on my my laptop here and my phone that I'm using to record this video. And yes, I just talked about the 3 brightness levels. Take selfies anywhere, like dark night clubs or parties or camping, or at the beach, anywhere you're going. Anywhere you're going, some places. 36 long-lasting LED bulbs. Provides supplemental or side lighting for photography whenever you have low light conditions, ultra wide lighting range. It can meet the demand of complementary light in wide ranges and wide lighting angles. And that's all I want to. And I think that's it right now. There's a limited warranty in the USA right here, but I'm not going to read that. And take a look at this last part over the last slide over here. See that right there? This is the one I was talking about before. There's the middle picture right there that is showing that the LED light up ring is on the laptop. I bet this will work on my laptop as well. Compatible with most mobile devices. Requires 2. Sorry about that, guys. I was running out of breath while talking really fast. It requires 2 AAA batteries, and this one included. So let's go ahead and open it up right now, and I'm gonna have to put this on my tripod. I have a tripod with me right here, so I'm gonna put it on there. Sorry about that. I'm trying to put this on my tripod. It's gonna be really hard. Almost had it right there, jeez. Oh, there we go. Alright. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. I got it right there. And let me just take off this charging cable that is connected to my phone, and I got it disconnected. Alright, here we go. So let's go ahead and open it up now. Just turn this down right here. Okay, here we go. So let's open it right up in front of the camera right now. So there's the tape. Where's the tape is right here, where I can open up the box. Trying to open this, but it's really hard because I haven't used this for the first time since I got this product from my after-school activity last year. It's gonna be really hard, but let me just open it up off camera right now, since I think it's gonna be really easier for me to. It's gonna be really easier for me to open it up. Almost got the tape off. There we go. I got it now. Yeah. There we go. Got the tape off. And now let's open it up. Oh shoot. I just ripped this off. Jeez. I better have to be careful. Better be extra careful with it. Okay. There we go. We got it out right now. So here's the. All right. So here's the LED light up ring right here, where I can take selfies. And this one includes double AAA batteries. And there's the cap right here, or there's the cover right here where I can put batteries in. So let me just go ahead and take that out. And this is well, actually, I think it's really easy to get it off. I'm trying to get this off. Almost had it off, and there we go. Just have to push it out. Here's the double AAA batteries, and I had to take this off because there's a plastic on it. Let me see if there's anything on here. Oh, there's a button right here. This is where the button located to adjust the brightness level for this LED light up ring for a selfie. And need to take this off. All right, got the plastic, got the batteries out from the plastic, and now I'm gonna put these batteries in. All right, and all right, got the batteries in, and put it back in, put the cover back in, and now let's try this on my laptop. So let me just turn this up a little bit right here, and put this on my, put it right here, and let's see, let's turn it on. Wow, it does work. So that's this is really cool that it does work, and it does adjust the 3 brightness levels like low, medium, and high. And yes, I bet this will work on my phone as well. So, and yeah, so this is actually work. I don't know how much I got this for, but yeah, I don't know how much I got this for because I just got it from one of the staff members that I was attending for my after-school activity in high school. But whatever, I just got it anyway. Like that, I got this from last year. So yeah, that is my unboxing video for my new product item that I just got, which is the LED light up selfie ring. And yes, so that is up for today. And if you guys like this video, please like by giving it a big thumbs up for this new video that I just filmed. And also, please drop a like, or I already said that. Please drop a comment down below this video, what you think of it. And yes, I want to say thank you all so much for watching. Also, please stay well and safe from the coronavirus. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, so I'm Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out, everybody.